it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as it's a reconnect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica Skippa here with another reaction. Ooh. Today, guys, we're with Skippa. Yeah, man, Skippa and Rvssian with phone screen. This is one is off the recovery Riddim. I believe this is what Rvssian's new juggling. Skippa, hear me, SMG. Check your DMs, bro. Message your family, but you're not get around to it because I know you're busy. Check your DMs still. Check your DMs, my G. Check your DMs, my G. Yeah, man. Check your DM. Anyway, I'm going to jump on the one and see what I go on, man. Phone screen. Yeah, man. Skippa. Recovery Riddim. Let's go.
That tell a lie in the blood clot. That fuck Skippa. Bad to bad. That takes Skippa line. Skippa give me a blood clot.
Rvssian.
Skippa. You can't manage yours, Ali, brother.
That tell a lie in the blood clot. That fuck Skippa. Bad to bad. That takes Skippa line. Skippa give me a blood clot.
Rvssian. Y'all, look how you're pretty on my phone screen. All clean, healthy, I eat up your protein.
Yeah.
Your pussy type me have to force it. I have to come back because you tell me like a dolphin.
Again.
That tell a lie in the blood clot. That fuck Skippa. Bad to bad. That takes Skippa line. Skippa give me a blood clot.
Rvssian. Y'all, look how you're pretty
On my phone screen.
All clean, healthy, I eat up your protein. Your pussy type me have to force
Riddim, body now.
if you come back because you tell me like a dolphin. Yeah, because you hot and that. No fuck a bag of man. This might just be a song, but baby tell me if me wrong. Just make a wine and then I stop. Your pussy never flop. You put it on a boy, my figure you ain't got. So make a snap with a pretty friend, them girls come.
That tell a lie in the blood clot.
Bad.
That fuck Skippa. Bad to bad.
A Skippa Christmas, you know. A Skippa going on New Year. That artist in the dog. And let's see what I go on. Skippa!
Look how you're pretty on my phone screen. All clean, healthy, I eat up your
protein. Yeah.
Your pussy type me have to force it. You have to come back because you tell me like a dolphin. Yeah, because you hot and that. No fuck a bag of man. This might just be a song, but baby tell me if me wrong. Just make a.
This might just be a song, but baby, tell me if me wrong. Tell me if me wrong.
Because you hot and that. No fuck a bag of man.
This might just be me, but then tell me if me wrong.
Just make a wine and then I stop. Your pussy never flop. You put it on a boy, my figure you ain't got. So make a snap with a pretty friend. Them girls call my cell phone, make it ring like hell. Kill in your hole, you know wanna bend 10. Be mine a sport when I push a yang.
Kill in your hole, you don't want to Ben 10, you don't want a cartoon character, you don't want a cartoon, and a Beyblade this, no woman.
Kill in your hole, you know wanna bend 10. Be mine a sport when I push a yang. So come and make you kick it off and take off all your clothes. Me know you just attack, you want my money and me know. That's why me fuck your hard, use my finger like a rose. Cocky kick you like a boss, and me like a damn me know.
Use your finger like a rose? How say your finger bad?
That's why me fuck your hard.
Look, lad. Girl, them say Skippa finger bad about there.
Cocky kick you like a boss, and
Skippa, how I did it?
That's why me fuck your hard, use my finger like a rose. Cocky kick you like a boss, and me like a damn me know. Good on, don't stop. Suck your cocky with your eye there, good on, don't stop. Now make balls feel brand new. You're pretty on my phone screen, all clean, healthy, I eat up your protein.
Yeah.
Your pussy type me have to force it. Me have to come back because you tell me like a dolphin.
Yo, this is a next banger from Rvssian, bro. That Riddim, yeah? We can hear various amount of artists on it. Skippa. Is Skippa the first track released on it? But just don't say some bad track I go get released on this. Let's know that.
Your pussy type me have to force it. Me have to come back because you tell me like a dolphin. Because you hot and that. No fuck a bag of man. This might just be a song, but baby tell me if me wrong. Just make a wine and then I stop. Your pussy never flop. You put it on a boy, my figure you ain't got. So watch your mouth when I talk up to me. Bag a girl and I'ma show them a pass out for me. Bad bitch a foot, she got the passport pussy. Flight off a book before you call her telly.
Yo, you have the passport pussy, mama. Yes, your pussy make you fly out. Without visa too. Passport pussy. Citizenship.
Bad bitch a foot, she got the passport pussy. Flight off a book before you call her telly. And she no go for just any and a regular man. You have to have jugs money or you try to go scam.
Yo, your money have to up. You have to have jugs man money. Our top scammer money. your money have enough. Yeah, she not gonna just go to any man, so anytime they can Harry and Steve, no sir.
She no go for just any and a regular man. You have to have jugs money, or you try to go scam. Or you try win a lot, or you go rob a bank. She will tell you she will got her, but she got her that good on.
No matter how much money you have, same way. She will tell you, say, she got you. But no, so she have one next man, same way.
Try win a lot, or you go rob a bank. She will tell you she will got her, but she got her that good on, don't stop. Suck it cocky with the eye.
Them lock. Good on, don't stop. Phone screen.
Whole clean, healthy, eat up your
Protein. Yeah.
Your pussy type me have to force it. Me have to come back because you tell me like a dope fiend. Because you hot and that. No fuck a bag of man. This might just be a song, but baby tell me if me wrong. Just make a wine and then I stop. Your pussy never flop. You put it on a boy, my figure you ain't got. You ain't got.
Bad. Skippa the panel first. Head concussion. Big up yourself. Skippa, bro. As Skippa, bro. What can I say? Skippa, check your blood till I must DM, bro. Check your DM, dog. Rvssian, big up yourself. Head concussion. You don't know, say, yeah, mark them up the bad Riddim them from day we are sure about. So big up on yourself, you see me? Rvssian, more say something to you, my G. We know, say, upon the last juggling, you did have massacre upon it. Make sure, say, if you did get a song, the massacre ready, before all this thing you go on, make sure you release the man's song, same way. Don't hold back the man's song, you see me? If you have video feed, make sure you release it, same way. Don't hold it back. I see on social media, say you unfollow him and them thing they like. Yeah, them thing they're nice. So, make sure, say, you release the G song, same way, you see me? Yeah, now we don't know you throwing here. Yeah, that is just my take on it anyway. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this on the comment section. Recovery Riddim, bad Riddim. Phone screen by Skippa and Rvssian. Yeah, man, big. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next one though. Skippa, big up again, my fam.
Binds! I know, sir, one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.